Are you experiencing trouble with your roof and in need of roof repair? Or perhaps you've decided it's time for an entirely new roof? Well, we would love to help you. When it comes to finding a roofing company, you need someone that's going to service your roof professionally and get the job done right the first time. We'll sit down with you to determine the best repair and installation options. We are confident that with our level of skill and expertise, we will provide you with the service that you will just love. Don't risk further damage to your home. Contact us today. We look forward to hearing from you.